It's Mocktail Monday, but we're doing something slightly different today. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. After giving it a lot of thought, we've decided to discontinue Mocktail Mondays here at the kitchen because, let's face it, who wants a drink without alcohol? April Fools! Here's today's booze-free beverage with a slightly exotic edge, featuring products from the international aisle. To make it, all you do is combine 4 ounces of Jamaican sorrel-ginger tea and 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice straight into a cocktail glass and top with a splash of Tepachito pineapple cider from Mexico. Makes me want to take a trip south of the border. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.